All right, Ems is about to get ready to make some lumpia. She's got vegetables, the pork. She's ready to make it happen. I'm ready to eat. She's ready to cook. We're about to get started. Good morning, everybody. Miss Ems is eating a little bacon there. She's getting ready to. What are you going to make today?
Lumpia.
What is it? Lumpia. All right. So she's getting the ingredients out, some of it, and getting it set up and ready to roll. And we're about to put it all together. When are you adding the noodles?
There's no milk.
Oh, you're making lumpia. I was thinking pancit.
Put this on. That's soft. Can you take some more of this one?
Looks pretty good.
Mm.
So that's what's going to go inside the spring roll, right?
Yeah, the skin.
Making a little lumpia for today. That'll be our lunch and dinner for this Sunday. It's got everything. Vegetables, beef, a little wrapping around it. Now, when you go to cook the lumpia, will you bake them or fry them?
Deep fry it.
Deep fry. Oh, snap. Will you do that outside or here?
Here, because outside it's not that strong. The
Oh,
stove.
the stove top.
Yeah, it's not that.
We got a portable stove out there that just doesn't get as hot as in here.
It's good for slow cooking.
Right.
But not do so like we need high heat.
All right, there's the spring rolls. She's gonna pull them apart here. We're gonna see how this one works. Some spring rolls are a little better than others. She doesn't have the little bamboo roller. At least I don't think we do we?
This ruler is for the sushi, not with this one.
My bad.
First
Nice.
attempt.
So this is, right, this is the first one. So this one may fall apart or maybe too much or too little. But she's going to see how this roll, spring roll works. Well, we know how it works, but we're just trying to see how much this one we can put in these spring rolls without them falling apart.
Oh yeah, it breaks. Look.
So maybe got to make it a little less, huh?
Probably.
We'll see.
Probably
Oh, that's a nice spring roll. I say spring roll, it's lumpia.
The skin must be
Very thin,
too
right?
thin. So
But that'll make it better when you fry it.
It's more crunchy here.
Oh boy, that's a lot of work.
It is.
That's why we don't do it a lot.
Often.
It takes a little bit of time and patience to sit and do all those. Awesome. One down, 452 to go. All right, you've got quite a few of them done here. Pan's almost full, and man, you still got a lot of mix left. That's cool.
Filling.
Yeah, you're right. So how many?
I don't know.
1,
I
2,
didn't
3,
count.
4, 5, 6. So we got about 10 there already.
Oh, yeah.
And that's probably only half, you think?
Probably.
So she's got, oh, I'm sorry. That's a lot of work.
When you want to eat, you have to try a hard way.
But it's going to be good. We're getting there. You can see on the right side, that first one we did to see how much to put in the filling, how it doesn't look right. It looks right. It's just huge.
Yeah, it's
So
huge.
she scaled down the amount of filling, and they rolled better and sealed better. Well, the good thing is we've got like 30 spring rolls left. Oh boy. All right, we are ready to get these in the fryer. Using a grapeseed oil, so let's see what temperature, how high.
I don't know how to estimate.
Just as long as it's frying, it's frying.
Yeah.
What we got here, what do you call it? Lumpia? Mm-hmm. Nice. The first ones are in the fryer. Looking good. Get that golden brown color.
Let's see.
How many do you think you have?
25.
Whoo, she got 25 rolled up. All right, we got the first ones coming out of the fryer. Man, that looks good. All right. One was sacrificed. Man, that looks good.
Let me clean this one. I don't want it burnt.
She's got 20 more to go. All right, the finished product, huh? Wow, looking good. Guys, this is lumpia. Vegetables and beef. You can use you know, whatever you want. Well, no, we use pork, I'm sorry. But vegetables and pork. Then spring roll, rolled up, fried in the pan. That's going to be lunch and dinner for maybe a couple days. Whew, that looks good. Oh, is that so? I got to keep her away from the lumpia. All right, guys. Time to eat.